নমস্কার। আজকের এপিসোডে কিন্তু একটু বাঙালিয়ানা আছে। সামনে পুজো আসছে, বেঙ্গলি কটন শাড়িজ দেখাবো এবং তার সাথে কিন্তু প্রচুর কাজ করা শাড়ি তো দেখাবোই আমি, বেঙ্গলি কটন শাড়িজ, এবং তার সাথে সাথে কিছু আমাদের কটন কালামকারি চান্দেরিতেও দেখাবো। সব দেখতে থাকুন। আজকের এপিসোডটা হচ্ছে 126। ইটস অন কটন এমব্রয়ডারি with a touch of Bengal and also kalamkaris. Product number 1 is in kota, cotton kota. These are Bengal cotton kotas with kalamkari painting done on it. These are all freehand painting. Very soft, lightweight sari. Initially it has been starched, so if you want it more softer, just avoid the starch in future. 2350 for this, 2350 for product number 1, episode 126. And see, it has the peacock painting in this. The upper part will have just the border. The main part is the daman part, which will have the full painting done on it. And this is in pure cotton, very lightweight, and it is without a blouse piece, so preferably you wear a Firoza color blouse piece, or also you can wear a block printed blouse piece with this. See, this is the sari, very lightweight, and it's a painted sari, and only 2350. We have more options in painting, we had shown in the previous episodes also. This is 2350 for this cotton painted kalamkari. Product number 1. Product number 2A, as I said, সামনে পুজো আসছে, so we love লাল সাদা শাড়ি. So for those who are, এখন থেকে আমি কিছু কিছু করে লাল সাদা দেখাতে থাকবো, যাতে আপনারা পুজোর কালেকশন অষ্টমী দিন সকালবেলা যারা বরণ করতে যাবেন বা কিছু বাড়িতে যাদের পুজো আছে, দেখুন এটা আলপনা পেইন্টিং করা হয়েছে একদম আপার পার্টের মধ্যে, সুন্দর করে একদম আলপনা করা হয়েছে, একদম এরকম অর্ধচন্দ্র করে আপার পার্টটা। আর তার সাথে এটা আসছে আঁচলটা, প্রাইস 2250 only, 2250। এটা বেঙ্গল কটনের ওপর করা হয়েছে। ইটস অন বেঙ্গল কটন, আলপনা হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং ডান in the upper part with half moon concept in the upper part, and the rest comes in gamcha check sari. This is also a very traditional cotton sari which we love. I'm wearing a similar gamcha check blouse also. So this is the sari. This is without a blouse piece, but if you want, you can just wear a simple red blouse which will look very pretty. We love these white and red Bengali saris, and so this is one of them. And for those who would want a different color instead of a red and white, so for them you can go for product number 3. This is in black and white check. So similar one, this is also very smart one. Black and white checks also looks equally smart. This will be here, yoke part. Here is the whole body. This is the painting done, which will be done in the body, and here is the pallu. It has no separate border in the pleats. It's just a check cotton sari that has been attached. The half sari is attached, black and white checks. Simple sari, but a very designer piece. Just see the painting in the pallu and the body. Very smart looking one. Product number 3, very lightweight cotton saris. Number 4A. Number 4A is in Kesh. This is also our traditional Bengal sari. It's in cotton Kesh. Let me just see. With katha embroidery done, with ajrak border. This border has been attached. Kesh is a kind of a weave See, these are the weaves, the Kesh weaves in pure cotton. This work is Katha embroidery. This is the stitch. These are the stitches with mirror work, and this is the weave. In the pallu also the weave is prominent along with Katha in between. Okay, let me show you the back side. This is the Kesh weave with Ajrak border, rich pallu, and this is the whole side. See, this is the weave and the stitch also. Very smart looking sari. With this, you will get this blouse piece also. So the body will be in cotton, the body will be in red, and the sleeves, I've given you this extra fabric for the ajrak for the sleeves. So this way you can just mix and match. We have ajrak, these kind of Katha ajrak bags also which we sell. So this bag has a front opening. There is a chain inside. This is the chain. This is the extra papers that we've kept. This is the chain. And we have this sling also. And the back side also there is a chain. So see, it will look very smart with this sari. There is a chain in the back side also, zip, and the price is 6250. Sorry, 625. 625 for the sling bag. It's ideal for gifting also, you know, with Ajrak Katha done in it, and with the sari this is looking very smart. And the sari price is 483850. Just take the screenshot because the bags, they are not without any number. Just take the screenshot of the product if you want. We will courier it to you. If it's within Kolkata, cash on delivery possible with an extra charge. Outside Kolkata, we do courier, and shipping charges are applicable for all shipments. It's an off-white Kesh with again Ajrak border. Same price, 3850. It's a cotton Kesh. 4B. See, this is the Kesh weave. The body with little mirror work Katha. This is the sari. Again, this will have this kind of a blouse piece. Blouse piece for this. With this, you can try out this bag also. Similar, this too has a sling. Price 625. Sari price is 3850. Product number 5. Cotton Katha. These are all without black, so those who want to avoid black for Ashtami or any other occasion where you want to avoid black, for them this is a very pretty sari in thread work. The upper part will be in broad work. See, alternate embroidery, pallu, rich embroidery. The body is just left off-white color, all Bengal cotton. Very smart looking. Why? Because the upper part will be, you know, like this. And with this, you will be getting this blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this. And yes, you can try this bag also. This is also price rupees 690 Katha bag. Now another very interesting sari, 6A. Again Katha with Alpona hand painting in check Bengal cotton. See, lal shada Katha border lagano hoyeche. This is fully Katha handwork done. The body is in cotton zari check, pure cotton, Bengal cotton, check zari, Alpona painting in the pallu. See, it's a very smart looking, interesting sari. Very beautiful kalamkari painting in the pallu, and also I'll show you in the border. Border with Katha. See? Now comes the painting. Just abstract painting throughout the body. This will be in your pleats. After you do this pleat, this will be on your last pleat. That's why I've done it on the top. So anyway, if it's just looks very nice on wearing actually. So this is the freehand painting in Bengal cotton, Bengali lok sari, lal shada with traditional Katha embroidery from Bengal, and with this you get this Katha blouse piece also. I was waiting to do only a red and white episode, but then there were so many of them who were wanting to gift their parents from now onwards to do their collection for the pujas from now onwards. So I didn't waste time to let the others get created. So it's best that I show whatever is ready now. It's a beautiful painting, number 6A, and the price of it, this is 3500 with Katha and hand painting in kalamkari. Now number same thing in red. This too is in zari check. Just two colors we do. That's why I just showed you both the colors. See, this is again another Alpona painting. The previous one was in kalamkari. This is in Alpona nip painting. খুব সরু তুলির কাজ করা হয়েছে আঁচলের মধ্যে এবং yoke পাটে। See? And then of course this Katha work is there. Very sober thread work. কটন যারা ভালোবাসে, ভালো কটন পরতে পছন্দ করেন এবং কটনের মধ্যে একটু ডিজাইনার লুক চান, তাদের জন্য এই শাড়িগুলো খুব ভালো হবে। এবং যেহেতু সামনে পুজো, লক্ষ্মী পুজো এবং পরপর আমাদের গিফট করার ব্যাপার থাকে রিজনেবল রেঞ্জের মধ্যে উইথ আ ট্রেডিশনাল টাচ, তাদের জন্য কিন্তু এই শাড়িগুলো খুব ভালো। অনেক চিন্তা ভাবনা করে বানানো হয়েছে, অনেক আর্টিস্টিক শাড়িগুলো, ভীষণ আর্টিস্টিক। দেখুন এটার কাজটা কি সুন্দরভাবে গেছে, পুরো আলপনা বা একদম রেড, তার মধ্যে জারি চেক এবং তার মধ্যে ফ্রি হ্যান্ড পেইন্টিং করা হয়েছে। এবং এটার সাথে কিন্তু আপনারা এই ব্লাউজ পিসটা পাবেন, কটন ব্লাউজ। ইউ ডোন্ট নিড আ লাইনিং উইথ দিস, বাট ইফ ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু গিভ, ইটস ওয়েল অ্যান্ড গুড, নো হার্ম ইন গিভিং আ লাইনিং, কটন লাইনিং। So this is the blouse piece. Number 7. Another painted one in off-white and deep maroon color. Number 7, 3500 again. See, this color is also very pretty. Rich, deep maroon color with off-white. Here is again Alpona painting. দেখুন এগুলো কি বলুন তো, এগুলো ভীষণ আর্টিস্টিকটা ফ্রি হ্যান্ড করে করা হয়েছে, একদম মানে আর্টিস্টের ওপর ছেড়ে দেওয়া আঁকাটা কিভাবে করবে। আলপনার একদম অদলে করা পুরোটা, খুব স্লিক, সুন্দর কাঁথা হ্যান্ডওয়ার্ক, বর্ডারও পাচ্ছেন। In future you can just take off the border and attach it in other sarees also, because this is fully handwork done in very good quality cotton. So this also you can use later also in your other side. Just take out the border. It's attached border, so you can just take out and use it in future sarees also, just a suggestion. But this saree equally is very pretty along with this Alpona painting in pure cotton. Yes, it's fully like this. The painting will come till the end. See the painting. And with this you will get this dark maroon blouse piece also with katha work. Similarly, let me show you what the mannequin is also wearing. See, it's another cotton gorod katha, pure cotton handwork katha. See, if we do these in silk, they will be all above 8,000-9,000. So the same work if we do it in silk. So we've done it in cotton to lower the price, and of course cotton has another elegance in it too. So this is in pure cotton katha. See the pallu, rich thread work in the pallu, 3850, and the upper part, yoke part till the pallu will be heavy work. This will be heavy work, yoke part and the pallu, and then the whole body will have the border and the buttas. It doesn't have a blouse piece. Actually it has a running blouse, but it's only half a meter something, so it's best to wear a simple red blouse or a cotton block printed blouse, or if you have anything interesting in your mind, you can always go for that. It's a very smart looking saree, and of course hand work, so it has a different, this thing altogether. So that's it for this saree. See, here you can see it properly. So much of work. 3850 for this without a number. Now coming back to the sarees, number 8. Actually we can take orders for this because these are all done in our workshop only, but they take so long time, and then I usually take 45 days time to do a cotton katha, but usually it comes to around 2 months. So if you are ready to wait, I'll be definitely taking the orders for this. 2990 for this, 2,990 rupees. Check cotton katha in black and red, half and half. So upper part comes the red color. I had shown a white and red in previous episodes also. So now a new color combination, black and red. See. Zari check with cotton katha. See the pallu work. Only 2,990 rupees. No blouse piece for this. Now some cotton kutch work. Bengal cotton kutch work. This is 3350. 3350. Grey color with orange and Rani work. We have many other colors in this. So I'll show you few colors in this. We had shown other colors in previous cotton embroidery episodes also. These are the new colors that has come. So I'll show you few more colors in this. So this is very pretty color combination in orange and Rani color. Same thing, we have this combination. So I'll just show you the other color in this. That had pink, this is without pink. See the work, pure cotton. These can be starched if you want it stiff, but I personally, but many of you I think doesn't want it too stiff, but of course it can be starched because these are 100% cotton. You can do light polish for this if you want. So this is the work. Two colors, same price. Now number 10A. These are all actually single piece, so I'm showing you A and B. All one piece available now. So these are pure cotton. See the work in this. 3350. Pallu work. These are bright cotton kach work which you can wear, during puja mornings also, and little small gatherings. Hand work in 100% cotton. Always, we love these. Like I always say, we have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. This is near Citizen Park. And the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. Before the pujas, we will be keeping Sundays open also. And now Monday to Saturday, 10 to 8 p.m. we are open. After payment, after we receive the payment, within 1 to 2 working days, the shipping will be done. And once, please do the payment only after I give you the confirmation, not before that. All the payments will be done in business account, all current account payments, and proper GST bill will be sent with each shipment. This is a off-white with bright yellow color, kach work. 3350 for this. Same price. Beautiful shade of sunflower yellow with royal blue. Very bright, gorgeous sari, and with this satin patta border, the sari is looking even more richer. With this, you can try these bags also. Indigo Katha bag, 625, 625 for Indigo Katha bag with again a sling. And also I have this design also in this zigzag, 625, and also this is in darker blue, this is in indigo, Katha printed bags with these zip sling, 625 for this. আরেকটা কালার সেম টাইপের, নাম্বার 11, প্রোডাক্ট নাম্বার 11, গ্রের ওপর রেড দিয়ে কাজটা যাচ্ছে, স্লেট কালারের মধ্যে রেড দিয়ে কাজটা পুরো এভাবেই যেরকম ভাবে আগের গুলো ছিল তারই এটা আরেকটা কালার, প্রাইসটাও সেমই আছে 3350। আঁচল সমস্ত হ্যান্ডওয়ার্কে করা হয়েছে, গায়ে বুটি, দুদিকে চওড়া বর্ডার এবং পুরো শাড়িটার মধ্যে কাজটা এভাবে যাবে। এগুলোর কিন্তু কোনোটারই ব্লাউজ পিস নেই, কোনো ব্লাউজ পিস নেই। উইদাউট ব্লাউজ পিস ইউ ক্যান ওয়্যার আ ব্ল্যাক or a see like what I am wearing, this kind of gamcha check blouses. These go cotton blouses, you can wear any cotton blouse. You must be having so many at home. Most of the blouse, you know, printed blouse or a white blouse or a black or a red, all these will look very nice with this. Now product number 12. This is another gorgeous Bengali sari in again check cotton with katha. Only lal shada, red and white has been used in this with, see the very nice, the embroidery is so gorgeous. This work, rich gorgeous pallu, check body. The body is without butta, just border pallu concept. See the embroidery, and of course it will have this gorgeous red katha blouse piece. Here is the sari. একদম অষ্টমী সকালের শাড়ি, এগুলো কাউকে গিফট করার জন্য খুব ভালো হবে। কাজটা দেখুন, এবং কোনো কাজ যদি আমি প্রাইস মিস করে যাই, just check this 3350 for this. Check the screenshot, the product and the details are all mentioned in the post. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp to the any one of the number provided. Now this is matka with printed matka, kalamkari printed matka in charcoal black color. This is a kalamkari print done, and the price for this is 2990. These are not Bengal matka, this is Banaras matka, and this is blended. Very soft, very good quality and skin friendly also. This is kalamkari print throughout in single color along with this blouse piece. This is the blouse piece for this. It's a very smart, interesting sari, especially the print. It's a very gorgeous sari. Charcoal black, it has a bottle green black color, a very dark bottle green color. I wouldn't say it's a black, it's very dark bottle green. Unique color, very unique shade. 2990 for this. Now some Chanderi kalamkari printed katha, cotton kalamkari with katha sequence done on it. Bottle green, pallu, ₹2990 rupees for this. 2990. Very soft, very lightweight chanderi, cotton chanderi with blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. See, small block printed blouse piece. The base color is bottle green, and see, this is the sari. We love kalamkari, we love handwork, so combination of both for this. 2990 rupees. Now royal blue, product number 15, royal blue. Katha with sequence. Product number 15, royal blue katha with sequence. Here is the pallu part, peach color with katha sequence. All these will have katha sequence. And all same price. I'll just show you some lovely colors, but these are not hand painted, these are printed, of course, because all price you can understand, all within 3000. 2990 with katha work and kalamkari printing. Maroon, deep wine color, all same price, except the color changes. Even the print is same. The blouse piece, ideal for gifting because it's handwork and with kalamkari. So, and lightweight, very soft and easy to maintain also. Now coming to little more lighter shades. Throughout print, 2990, pallu, and this is the blouse piece for this. See, it's a kalamkari impression with the border. Very unique color. Very unique color. Small work and very neat thread work. 2990 grey color. See the embroidery in the pallu and such lot of work. It's not just the outline, it's the inside part with sequins also. So along with the outline, little sequins has been done in between the flowers also, and throughout work. This will have again the grey color blouse piece here. This is the blouse piece with the border. I'm showing you the lower part border. This is the blouse piece will also have little work done. Very budget friendly. Now peach color. All the colors are very impressive colors. Along with this blouse piece. We have the tailoring unit also, so you can come and give for your blouse stitchings. We do tailoring for blouses and suits also. Again, this is also 2,990 rupees. Now a pista color. So this time I am giving you lot of choices in Chanderi Kalamkari Katha sequence. So many colors I am showing you, and all are very interesting colors. Very lightweight, soft and lovely kalamkari printing. 2990 with again pista blouse piece. Blouse piece colors also very pretty. This is Art Tussar Kalamkari. Art Tussar with Kalamkari and Bandhej. Again printing done with Katha and sequins and mirror work. Semi tussar with kalamkari, mirror work, katha, bandhej. So all in so many traditional things all in one. Lightweight, soft. Yes, it's blended, but it's very comfortable fabric. So don't worry, in this range it's a very good quality. This is the blouse piece. It has running blouse in this also. Blouse will have the border. And the color is also very pretty. Wine. This price is 4990, 4,990 rupees. Wine color. Achol. See the katha and the mirror work done. Running blouse. And a black also. $4,990 for this beautiful sari. Very pretty look. Even the body has mirror work. The border also with mirror katha, kalamkari border, bandhej buta throughout the sari. Jet black color. Pallu. Throughout there will be the border, running blouse piece, and here is the last sari, cotton painting, freehand in leaf green, Bengal cotton, জুঁই ফুল আমরা বলি, জুঁই ফুলের ছড়া পুরোটা দিয়ে করা হয়েছে, পেন্টিং ফ্রিহ্যান্ড। পুজো আসছে, এটার সাথে এই ধরনের ব্যাগও দেখতে পারেন, কাঁথা ব্যাগ 625। আর শাড়িটার দাম বলে দিই, এটার খুব সুন্দর শাড়িটা, খুব সুন্দর পিওর কটনের মধ্যে, কালারটা খুব সুন্দর, 2350, 2350 for this saree. It has no blouse piece. Actually it has running blouse, but again I always say that it's best to wear with a contrast plain blouse. You can wear a white, simple white shirt also, crop top or a shirt. It's a very good looking saree. 2350 for this cotton beauty. And the one that I'm wearing, it's 2,990 rupees for the one that I'm wearing. 2990, it's a Kerala cotton with Costa block and temple block in the lower part. Upper part, the applique has been done. The pallu part, the applique is done along with the block print. 2990, it has a running blouse piece. It has a big blouse piece. So with this saree, you can, Kerala cotton, you can of course make the blouse piece also with this. It's a very good quality, heavy quality cotton. This is the, and the jewelry that I am wearing is 2500, and it has this jhumka also, 2500 with this earring, 2500, and the saree that I am wearing, it has a running blouse piece for this. Thank you so much. Hope you like this episode very much. Namaskar.